boys, girls, welcome to Gruvgear. We have BTS here, Into the Sun. That is the 14th track, I believe, on the new album. And it should be the last one on Ararang, this cool new album released just recently from BTS. The reunion here of the Seven Gentlemen's. They're back. So let's go into this nice song. Before we do that, I just want to highlight again my new YouTube channel. It's called Gruvgear 6 Strings a Go. Normally here on this guitar channel we just learn the songs, like the basics, different patterns, or like different parts of the song, the verse, chorus, and pre-chorus play. I don't play through the full songs there, but on Gruvgear 6 Strings a Go I play from A to Z. You get the chords and you're gonna learn the full song there, so go and check that one out. Now let's focus on Into the Sun. As you can see here, no need for any capo here, because we're using bar chords only, so that's the reason. So let's go through the 4 chords that just rolls in the same way and learn them first. So we're going to start with the F, which is a bar chord with the bar on the 1st fret. I place my index finger right there, and I push down all strings there. And then I need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. That is the F. Next chord is the G minor 7. So you go down with the bar on the 3rd fret now. Again, all strings there, and then you need to add 5th on A. You take the very same grip and move it inwards another 2 frets. You land with the index finger now on the 5th fret, and this is the A minor 7 with that added 7th fret A string. Okay? So 2 exact same grips there on G minor 7 and A minor 7, and the final chord will be the A sharp. And it looks exactly as the F, but at this position with the index finger on the 6th fret, pushing down all strings there. And then you need to add 8th on A, 8th on D, and 7th on G. So that is the chord progression through the entire song. F to G minor 7, A minor 7, and A sharp. Beautiful. Now let's go into the handling. We're gonna work with this. Alright, that is a pattern we're going to learn. And if you listen to the song, this changes slightly throughout the song, okay? But this is something to stand on and hold on to, and you can work around that. So we're going to start from the beginning with the F. So you're going to play this. Okay, so that means you just roll down the strings. So if you hold the full chord as it is, you play 1st E, 3rd A, 3rd D, 2nd G, and you finish off with 1 down. Try to get the mid and high strings incorporated on the down there, so something like that. Okay, so a short pause, and then you go into the next chord, which is the G minor 7. You're gonna play. You hold the full chord as it is. You're gonna play 3rd fret E string and 5th fret A, and then that down on a little bit higher string, higher mid area on the strings. And then you go down to the next chord, the A minor 7, and play the same now from the chord, the 5th fret E string now, then 7th fret A string, and 1 down. So far we learned F, G, and A. It goes like this. And finally we have this A sharp. What you do there is, it's twice as long as the other chords, so it goes. Okay, so first you have 6th fret on the E string, and then 3 times on that 8th fret A string, and then 1 down, a short pause, and then you stay on that chord since it's twice as long as the other ones, and you're gonna play this. So that is to roll down 6th fret E string, 8th fret A, 8th fret D, 7th fret G, and 1 down. That's the end of the round. Okay, so slowly from F to G to A sharp goes like this. right, so that is something to hold on to. Now you can work like this, kind of feel a rhythm going on here in different ways. Okay, you can skip notes here and there. You can also just work with the downs, so you can go like this. Or you can just play downstrokes instead of picking certain strings and notes. You can play downstrokes for all of this, and it could sound something like this. So it's up to you guys. You have the chords, you have the rhythm going on there, and certain notes you can bring into the song, which is played actually. So have fun with this one, Into the Sun. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you are a fan of BTS, we are that as well here on Gordon Guitar. So make sure you subscribe and support me on this channel, but also the Gordon Guitar 6-string ago, like I mentioned at the beginning of this tutorial. Huge thank you if you go to that channel and subscribe to that as well. Be a member of that newly started channel, and I really appreciate all the guys. Thank you so much, and play tuned.